The Rugby Game by a Disgruntled Worker, a Satire, Part 4. Alfie Goodconduct, the star player of the company's rugby team, has a grand vision for his future as a boss. When I become the boss, he muses to himself, I shall be impervious to any card, yellow or red. The referee will bow to my whims, and the whistle will only blow when I give the signal. He will be my loyal lapdog, my very own whistleblower. Oh, Alfie, with such ambition, it's no wonder the team doesn't want to pass you the ball.